Food insecurity has long been an issue in rural parts of the North Country, but now with the coronavirus pandemic putting families across the Adirondacks out of work, it's become even more urgent to make sure those in need are able to put food on the table. Here at the Hub on the Hill, volunteers and staff arrive bright and early to put together emergency food packages, boxes filled with fresh, locally sourced food. From here, drivers scatter across 4 counties in the North Country, putting good food in the hands of people who need it most.
Sausage. Is that a frozen or a goulash?
Food insecurity has been an issue in the region for a long time. We've had about a dozen grocery stores close permanently in the Adirondacks in the last 10 years. So we've got a lot of people living remotely that haven't had, good access to a grocery store or transportation to begin with. And now with the crisis, it feels almost impossible for some people. The Emergency Food Packages project is designed to help people that are facing food insecurity because of COVID-19 get access to fresh food. And we're really trying to target people who've either lost their job because of COVID-19 or who cannot safely leave the home to shop.
I think the Hub's uniquely positioned to be able to bring on an operation and activity such as this. Our part in it is helping to prepare the food, to aggregate the food from the farmers and set up the logistics around getting the food out to the people in need.
My board of directors and I at ADK Action asked Jory and everybody at the Hub, how many boxes do you think you can produce? Each food package has roughly 15 meals. So we decided we'd shoot for 100 boxes a week for 10 weeks. And we had the fundraising goal of $55,000. And it only took a week to reach that goal. It was amazing. And then in less than another week, we reached the stretch goal. So we've just announced a super goal to try to get 235 packages a week to families in the area.
We reached out to 100 different individuals to get boxes to them. That was within Essex County and Clinton County originally. We're stretching that to meet some folks out in Hamilton County as well.
Originally when we set our 100 packages a week goal, that was based on, what do you think we could do? And now this new goal of 235, that's our referral partners telling us this is how many families need these packages.
We are also launching our mobile market platform and online ordering. The idea is to be able to have people go to one site and be able to purchase from a number of farms. We will turn around and get it delivered door to door to them. That's been one of the goals of the Hub, is just to get more local and fresh food out into our communities. So it's timely and feels like this is an important element in our local food system.
Someone doing sloths? Did they get bread yet? Not bread yet.
We've been getting a lot of really positive reviews. We've had people commend how healthy the food is, say that they've got access to, non-perishables, but to have something fresh feels really good. One of our partners up in Malone did door-to-door deliveries for us. She said that one of the recipients told her that this was the first home-cooked meal that he's eaten in many, many years. What we'd really like to do is help the recipients of the emergency food packages get set up for SNAP and a program called Double Up SNAP, so they can continue to be mobile market customers with the Hub on the Hill and not lose the food access that they've gained during this program, because food insecurity is going to be a problem here for a long time to come.
In a time of need, when people are under pressure, feeling the stress of the unknown and not knowing where their food or their income or their job is heading right now, reaching out and supporting our local food economy is, I think, imperative and vital for any time, but especially during times of crisis.
It means a lot to us because it's so hard for some of us people that live out in the boonies to be able to get to the stores and get meals on their tables sometimes, It's nice to be able to support your local people and know that they care about the people that are around here too.
We feel really good about being able to provide such a high quality product to people, especially when they're hurting and they need this extra help.
Just within the past few days, Adirondack Action reached its goal of $130,000, which will enable the Hub to send out 235 boxes of food each week. With each box containing 15 meals, that's a total of 35,000 meals over the course of the program being delivered to families across the North Country. For Mountain Lake Journal, I'm Will Houle.
Online, you'll see the nonprofit groups that are partnering with Adirondack Action. To find out if you or someone you know is eligible for the emergency food packages, you can head to Adirondack Action's website or our website. And even if you don't qualify but are looking for fresh, locally grown food delivered right to your door, the Hub on the Hill has launched its mobile market. You can order meals, fresh produce, and locally sourced food items from farms across the Adirondacks and have it delivered to your home. For more information, visit the Hub on the Hill's website or our website, mountainlake.org.